So I wanted to create this video for those of you who are having a hard time just dealing with chronic pain. So I wanted to provide some tips for you today and give you some things that helped me personally when I was dealing with chronic pain. I know it's really challenging, especially when dealing with the symptoms every day, just with everything that comes with it, just the ongoing treatments, the pain that you feel the moment you wake up until you go to bed, and sometimes even in bed. So I know it's really challenging. It's really difficult to deal with it. So I wanted to provide some mindset tips in this video to hopefully support you and help you have a better, more positive outlook on things, even if you're feeling right now that, things may never get better, that things may never improve, you're going to be stuck in this pain forever, because I promise you that it's not the case. So the very first message that I have for you today is that you are not going to be in this pain forever. Because I know that for me personally, when things were really bad, like when I forgot what even feeling pain-free felt like. It did feel like I was going to be in this pain forever. It felt like I was doomed, that my body was just never going to go back to what it used to be. I didn't even know how that was going to happen because I was in so much pain. I felt like my body was so damaged that how can it ever just disappear? But just going through all of that and being where I'm at today, I promise you that it is possible to just transform everything and change everything in a matter of weeks or months. So I just want you to keep that in the back of your mind, that even when things are really, really bad, that you feel like it's just never going to get better, no matter what the message you're getting, like negative messages you're getting from maybe your physician or maybe a family or people around you, that, just don't let those messages that things cannot be reversed, cannot be changed, don't hold those beliefs. It's really important to have better beliefs and beliefs that support your healing and your recovery. And remember that pain is temporary. Nobody stays in pain forever. If you are experiencing pain, a lot of times, the pain is actually just a messenger. It's there to show you that things are out of alignment. And it really depends on how you respond to that pain. Because I used to just feel pain and just have this feeling that, oh my God, here's another flare-up. I'm going to be in so much pain for the next few months. But just keep in mind that pain is temporary. It's there to show you things that are kind of going out of alignment. And it is a good time right now to assess your body, to assess for muscle imbalances, to assess for postural imbalances, anything that is out of alignment in your life even. And if it's really hard for you to imagine that or visualize that at this time, perhaps the pain as just at a whole new level that you can't even imagine, not thinking that it's gonna change. One thing that really helped me in my healing journey was that I would always look for success stories. So just try to find as many success stories, people who have recovered, people who've changed things, because that is really going to restore your belief in that recovery is possible. And I can be an example for you if you don't know anybody else. And another thing is, I personally have seen so many success stories, just noticing or getting emails from members in my programs, and I have a lot of those emails screenshotted in my program pages. So if you need to just look through those for motivation, you don't even have to buy the program. You can just read through those messages, because you can see just the crazy stories and things that people suffered from, and once they started to just make these small changes, like how things changed for the better. So this is something that you can use for your benefit to just restore your belief in your body that it is possible. And here's another person who maybe is going through something similar, or maybe something even worse than me, and look at them, they change things for the better. They're able to go walking, hiking, exercising. So it's just something really important. The next thing I want you to keep in mind is that you always have a choice of what you're gonna do next. What is the next thing you can do to feel better now? That is always your choice, because you can either, sit and just feel that pain and just feel bad, or you can just do one thing to just help your body move forward. If that's just like taking a bath or a warm shower or doing some journaling or breathing meditation to relax your nerves, if that's just sticking to your exercises, maybe you're not sticking to them and you just feel bad about that. So just try to find that one thing that you can do better and to support your healing. And just keep in mind that you always have a choice. You always have a choice. Even when, for example, choosing practitioners or therapists, you always have the choice to look for the best person for you, who's going to support you best in your healing. Another really important message that I have for you today, it's something that I think is really important, is that yes, do feel your feelings. Even if you're feeling bad, you're having a really bad day, you're feeling like this pain is just ruining everything, like it's just disrupting your life, getting in the way of everything, like you can't follow your dreams, maybe you can't pursue certain things, you can't enjoy like time with your family or your hobbies without that lingering, just constant, unrelenting pain. And that's something that I struggled with so much. But just feel those feelings. Maybe you can process them through journaling, through talking to another close relative or friend, but just don't linger too long, feeling that. Just feel them and then move to the next step. You don't want to be staying in a negative spot too long. So, because then the next step for you is, I want you to focus more on what you can do to support your body, what you can do, what's the next step. There's always something you haven't done, you haven't tried. And it's like that saying, when the person is ready, the teacher appears. When you are ready, then that teacher will appear to show you the next step. So just have that intention in your mind. Have that belief that it is possible for you to get better. And I promise you, then you may be just looking online and you'll see an ad or you'll see a video or something that, can be the solution for you. You never know, but it's just the perspective or the mindset I want you to be in. And just keep going, like I don't want you to give up or just think that you're doomed or you're gonna always stay in this pain. It's just something not true. And I know that for myself. And I actually remember like telling my family members, I'm just gonna be in this pain forever. And they would say, no, it's not, you're gonna get better. And I just did not believe them. So I know what it's like to just not like think that this is it. But just keep in mind that it is totally possible for you to heal and recover. And if you decide to join any of my programs, I would love to support you inside of them and help you, figure out that next step. So I'm just sitting on this beach today because I wanted to share these messages for you, and I hope that they were supportive. I hope that they came at the right time. Sometimes some days are just so difficult, and we find that video that can provide some uplifting, supportive messages that can help you feel better. So I hope this video helped you feel better at least. If you're dealing with chronic lower back pain and piriformis syndrome, I have a brand new workshop that will help you get to that root cause of the pain and fix it. I'm going to be showing you some day-to-day practical strategies to get long-term relief and to also support your lumbar spine, fix your posture, fix those muscular imbalances and those triggers that keep triggering that piriformis tightness. These are the exact same strategies that I have been using for the past years to get relief from piriformis pain and also heal my lower back. And I've been pain-free for the last 7 years. I still use the exact same strategies, and now I want to show you these strategies in this brand new workshop. The workshop is completely free. I've included a lot of tutorials, techniques, and strategies that I will be showing you in the workshop, and you can also practice with me. So you don't need endless stretches, endless treatments, massages, chiropractic adjustments. It's just a never-ending cycle, and you can definitely break the pain cycle and relieve yourself from the pain, relieve yourself from these constant never-ending treatments and just spending money on all kinds of things. You don't need special gadgets and tools and different types of treatments. These are things you can do at home on your own. They are quick to do, and I am sure that once you start to apply them, you're gonna feel a huge difference.